What's up everybody, Full Throttle Tommy here, and we're going to be talking about my favorite jacket, the First Manufacturing leather jackets. Now this isn't no TikTok company, nothing like that jackets. This company has been around since 1987, producing high quality jackets for riders like you and riders like me. Now since 87, this company has been producing everything. We got your typical Harley brother vest right here, to leather gloves right here. Now they just don't make motorcycle jackets too. They make other jackets, fashion jackets and whatever.
What the hell is even that?
But we're gonna be talking about the motorcycle jackets. Now First Manufacturing is known for giving great craftsmanship, high quality jackets that look this good, as well as other vests, gloves, everything else. Now First Manufacturing Co. has built their reputation around craftsmanship, style, and attention to detail. I mean, look at this shit. This thing's diamond stitch all the way around. Now this company is also known for offering classic styles such as this, up to newer styles, contemporary styles, and they all offer the same protection. This leather is not thin fashion designer leather.
Thick! Blah!
This is some thick, rugged leather that if you go down on it, it's gonna protect you. And when it starts to get cold like the seasons right now, this is the jacket that I reach for when I go out for rides, because it is so comfortable with the liner inside of it. You can still move around decently. It's still a motorcycle jacket. You're still gonna have some restrictions. And every single one of their vests and jackets, I love this feature because they all come with a concealed carry pocket.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
And these pockets inside, you got one right here and one down here. These are some big pockets. You can store anything inside of those, from your banana to all sorts of metal, polymer materials, that whatever you want to carry while you're riding to keep you protected. This jacket, those vests got you covered. Now when they made these jackets, they definitely had riders in mind. We have adjustable sleeves right here with the zipper for when you're putting on your gloves to create that seal, or if you're like in Texas where it's 40 degrees in the morning and 70 when you go home in the afternoon, you can leave them open and get some ventilation inside of your jacket. Same thing as the inside here. We have just the button up right here, as well as a zipper to either keep more air out or let more air in. These jackets also have armor pockets in the back. I don't really use them, but better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. And then on top of that, just look at these jackets. These are classic looking jackets.
Oh la la!
Who doesn't like a classic look? Whether you're on a sport bike, whether you're on a Harley, I'm not gonna lie, these are mainly designed for cruiser riders in mind. But they also have selections of other jackets, slim fit jackets and stuff, that even on a sport bike you would want to wear. Now I personally have been wearing these jackets and vests since I got started riding motorcycles. Basically, I went to this website, bought their vest, and I really loved the vest. I loved all the pockets, I loved how free flowing the air was, and the vest wasn't breaking the bank. Now anyone who's ever gone to the Harley store will tell you right now, all their stuff is overpriced and it's mediocre at best. My wife was nice enough to buy me this jacket because she knew how much I loved the company. And when she bought me this jacket, now I don't ride without it. If it's under 70 degrees or whatever, I don't ride without it. This has been my favorite jacket, and that's why I'm here talking to y'all about these jackets, because I will 100% stand by them. Between the price, how well they're built, and how this jacket does not look like I've been wearing it a year. These are just high quality materials that you should consider buying, especially with the winter seasons coming up. And even in the summer seasons, they got ventilated vests, they got everything. And even a vest protects even just your chest and your back in the event that you go down. If you're someone like me who doesn't really want to wear a whole jacket year round, especially here, South Texas, it gets 110 degrees in the summer. You're real tempted to just wear that t-shirt only. Well, at least I could wear a vest and have some protection rather than none at all. And with these jackets, you get so much more features than just a jacket. You get the premium leather that they use. And like I said, this stuff is thick leather. And I have gotten caught in the rain multiple times with this. The leather is water resistant, which is a big plus when it comes to wearing leather in the rain. Everyone knows that you wear leather in the rain, that leather is gonna keep that smell forever. This one does not. It has a resistant coating on the outside of it, and it will not keep that watery, muddy smell that you get from riding in the rain. And the removable lining on the inside, it isn't just a regular old lining. This is quilted material on the inside, and it is warm when it is really cold outside. And that's a factor between you riding comfortably and keeping your attention on the road, or going fast trying to get home, trying to get out of the cold, which we've all been there. This is just a big plus when riding in any sort of cold temperatures. It also utilizes YKK zippers. I don't really know what that means, but I can tell you right now there's a big difference between this one and my other jackets, being how thick the material is and stuff. And supposedly they use it for longevity and durability. I can't argue to that. I've never had any issues with these jackets. They are still here. They are still kicking after a year of straight abuse. They are still here looking like I just got them out of the box.
I am the queen.
All right, guys. I just want to make a quick video describing these jackets just because I didn't want to go outside today. It is about 52 degrees outside. I know I'm talking about wearing these jackets in the cold and stuff, but it's my last day off from work. I just kind of wanted to relax today. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all want to pick up one of these jackets, visit First MFG Co. I have a link in the description below. If you use it, it helps out me, it helps out building my channel. You can check out the collection that they have there, check out their vests, check out their jackets. I know it's winter season now, so you'll probably be checking out their jackets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Stay safe out there, stay stylish, and keep riding. This has been Full Throttle Tommy. We'll see y'all next time.